Hey guys, Jin here. If you're wondering what credit card sign-up bonus converts to the most airline miles for the 2021 year, please continue watching. Now, I'm not going to just list the reward structure for you for each card. You can go ahead and Google that. But what I am going to present is an analysis based on a points to dollar value for each card. That way you can do an apples to apples comparison for each card based on this dollar amount value. I'm going to talk about 6 credit cards that are most frequently recommended on websites like NerdWallet and the Points Guy. These credit cards are 1. The American Express Gold Card, 2. Chase Sapphire Preferred Card, 3. The Citi Premier Card, 4. The Chase Sapphire Reserve Card, 5. The AAdvantage Platinum Select Card, and 6. The Chase Southwest Rapids Rewards Plus Card. Alright, so for this analysis, I'm going to make a few assumptions. First is that you cancel the credit card before the annual fee kicks in, but after you receive the sign-up bonus. And then second is that the conversion rates going from points to miles to dollar amount are estimates taken from the Points Guy blog post. I'll put a link in the description below so you can check that out. Now, these conversion rates are not based on anything from the credit card companies or the airlines. It's just an estimate that the Points Guy has come up with. Finally, all this information is current as of March 2021. So just as a quick summary, so you have some context, here are the reward structures for each credit card compiled in table form. So on the left column, you see all the credit cards that I'm going to talk about. The points in the second column range anywhere from 40,000 points to 60,000 points. You have to spend anywhere from $1,000 to $4,000 within the first 3 or 6 months depending on the card. Any points earned on spending on restaurants range from 2 times to 4 times the dollar amount. And in the fifth column, here are the annual fees listed if you're wondering. Finally, on this last column, there are some extra notes. You can see that one of the cards, the annual fee actually can be waived for the first 12 months. Now, using the conversion rates based on the Point Guy's blog post, as well as information on what airlines partner with which credit card companies, here are the results. So doing all the calculations, the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card has the best dollar amount value, mainly since it offers 6,000 sign-up points, and the conversion from points to dollars for Southwest Airlines is relatively high, at roughly 1.5 cents per point or mile. And you can see that the dollar amount value for the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card for Southwest Airlines is about $900. Just to be clear, this is only based on the sign-up bonus. So is that the final verdict? Well, not quite. If you remember from the reward structure, the American Express Gold Card actually gets you 4 times the points when you spend on restaurants, compared to the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card, which gets you 2 times the amount of points if you spend on restaurants. So how much do you have to spend on restaurants for the Gold Card to have more value than the Chase Sapphire Card? It turns out that's roughly $5,500. At that spending amount, the Gold Card points are worth $1,066 at JetBlue, and the Chase Sapphire Card is worth $1,065 at Southwest. So here are my final thoughts. Based on the assumptions that I've made and based on the sign-up bonus at face value, it seems that the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card is the best. However, depending on your spending habits, the American Express Gold Card might be a better choice. Now, it gets even a little bit more complicated if you prefer to travel with a specific airline. For example, if you want rewards for American Airlines, then the only choice is the Citi AAdvantage Platinum Card. And similarly, if you're a fan of Delta, the only choice is the Amex Gold Card. And if you're looking to travel with Southwest, I don't see a reason for you to pick the Chase Rapids Reward Card over the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card. So what's the final verdict? It's not that clear because the credit card you choose to maximize your airline miles depends on so many variables. There is no clear answer. Still, my recommendations would be either the American Express Gold Card or the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card. The airlines that they partner with don't overlap, so you can pick either one depending on which airline you prefer, and their values are similar in terms of the dollar amount. Alright, I hope this information helps you pick a card that works for you. And if you want to read more about this analysis in detail, please check out our blog post. I'll put a link in the description below. Thanks.